Hey guys, Woods Farm here. Just gonna make a quick little video. I've had this idea for a Halloween project for a while now, and I just got a new tool in the mail. It came from Amazon, so I'm finally gonna be able to start the project. So let's stick around and check it out. I was at work yesterday, and this came in the mail. Okay, this is the Bestarc BTC 500 plasma cutter. We had a plasma cutter in the shop before, but it was really old and it didn't really work out well. I think I sold it at a yard sale for 50 bucks. So I've been wanting to pick up another one for a while, and don't really have a lot of cash to spend, but this one had the best reviews all around. Is literally a third of the size of the last machine we had. I'll leave a link to the other review video. I'm not going to do a review on this machine. We're going to get right into the project part of the video. I am going to take a minute and set this thing up. Came with an accessories package. I also have some consumables on order. They're going to be here in a couple more days, but there should be more than enough to get us going here on this project. This unit is a dual power, meaning it'll run off of 110 or 220. It's a pilot arc. It's got a built-in regulator. I've also got a water separator that I bought separately, so I'll have to set that up. I'm going to read the instructions, but it looks pretty straightforward to hook up. Everything's kind of plug and play. Okay, so here's our project. We're going to be turning these propane tanks into Halloween jack-o'-lanterns. I've seen this on the internet, and it looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to try to keep mine kind of rusty and kind of old and spooky looking, but you can paint them up orange and make them just look like little pumpkins. I've got a couple different sizes. I've got standard 20s, and I've got a smaller one as well. So we're going to play with these four first. First things first, we got to melt the paint off the outsides and prep them, and then we're going to get the plasma cutter set up and use that to cut out the faces. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Proof of concept, the propane tank jack-o'-lanterns turned out pretty good. I just got a coat of paint on them, and I might weather them a little bit and do some more painting, but overall they're done. I have 2 of them set up to be mounted on top of gate posts, and the other 2 are kind of freestanding. So I think I'm going to make more of these. It was pretty easy, and I like the end result. Hopefully this video was interesting. The plasma cutter was awesome. I highly recommend it. It worked really well. I'm going to test it out some more while I'm working on some of my other projects, and I'll probably do maybe an actual review on the plasma cutter in the future. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and as always, thanks for watching.